Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce 9-inch IPS touchscreen special for Subaru Forester WRX XV 2015 to 2019 years. Okay, here is box. Let me unbox review. Let me open the box. You can check head unit with good condition. Let me take out the head unit. You can check. Okay, firstly let me introduce the harness at first. Okay, you can check there are two harnesses come with the head unit. This one and this one. Let me introduce this radio antenna. Okay, this connector okay. This brake wire, please do not connect. This for steering wheel is for reverse in camera backup camera input. Okay. And the other one, this is radio antenna. Okay. And this for backup camera. This camera adapter. This camera input. Okay. And this connector. You can check this power and the speaker. And this is for WRX. This is WRX input, left and right. Okay, this video input. This microphone. Okay, and this harness for okay, this is harness. And this is insert part is right and left. And this screws. Okay, the head unit comes with the external microphone and the GPS antenna and this two USB cable. This external microphone. This camera input, RCA type, camera input, RCA type. Okay, and this WRX input, WRX input, this video input, it's audio cable, this for subwoofer. And this video out 1 and video out 2. This audio front and rear, left and right output. Okay, let me show the head unit. Okay, you can check the side. Okay, and the back. You can check this radio antenna, this connector, this Wi-Fi, this power, this fuse. Okay. Let me connect the power on back. Power on. Okay, head unit will be started. Okay, starting. Please take out this protector before using. Okay, you can check the brightness, adjust. It's dark. This radio and all apps are here. It's built-in DSP. It's for easy connection, mirror link. There are SD card slots. This Play Store, you can download the applications from Play Store. It's built in Google Maps. And this phone, CarPlay and Android Auto. The link for CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, let me check the settings. It's very fast response. You can check. Check the settings built-in Wi-Fi. About machine, you can check this curve where MCU where CPU octa-core, memory size 4 GB, is PX5, it's Android 9 Pie system. Okay, we're back to home. Let me check the storage. You can check this total 64 GB. Okay. And let me check the settings. Both in the setting, LED settings. You can change this pattern color with green, with blue, orange, blue, and any color you can adjust this. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.